guys, what's up? It's Lara. Today I have a slime video. Today I'm going to make a big giant slime because I have 2 bottles of glue and they're pretty long. So yeah, there's going to be a very big slime. I'm not going to put shaving cream in it because I don't know, I feel like that just makes it like more like sticky, or yeah, I don't know. So I'm just going to use normal glue and detergent. So I have a spoon. Oh, there's water in there. A spoon and a bowl. So let's get started. Oh, and I actually don't know what color I'm going to do it. I think at the end I'm just going to give it a color with a marker. Okay, so, oh my god, I'm so excited. So the first bottle is going to be in there. Oh no, there's water in it. I don't want water. Oh yeah, never mind. Oh my god. This is so much. There's still a lot in here and another one. It's so heavy. Look. Okay. So you can put water in it and shake it and then put it in. I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna pour some water in it just to get everything out. So I have this. Wait. Okay, so I have this bottle and this water spray. So I'm going to spray some water in. Is it air or? Oh yeah, it's good. Oh. I don't know actually how much. Oops. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I want to say that I am going to be making super exciting videos soon because I ordered something and it is like I'm so excited for it. So I hope you guys are going to stay on my channel and just stay subscribed and everything because I know that you guys will love it and I also love it and I can't wait, but it has to arrive, so we just have to wait till it's arrived and then I'm gonna do an unboxing video. And yeah, there's gonna be so many videos that are just amazing. So yeah, so stay tuned. So I think, yeah, there is some glue in it still, but I can't get it out. So, okay, wait, look how much. Wait, you guys can't see it. Okay. Okay, now it's time for the second bottle. Oh my god. That's enough. Now I'm not gonna do it. No, just kidding.
Oh my god. I don't even have a container to store this in. Oh my god. I think I have to separate the slime and just put it in other, like, a couple containers because I don't have, like, a big one. But, yeah, I used to have tons of containers, but I sold slime, actually, a year ago. And, yeah, it was pretty good. So, now I don't have containers anymore. Guys, thank you so much for, how many subscribers do I have? 3,000 or 4? Actually, I don't really know. I'm so sorry, but thank you so much for subscribing, everyone.
Okay, so I'm done with the glue. There is so much glue. Look. And it's pretty heavy. So now it's time for the detergent. So I actually don't really know if I have enough of this. But yeah, I think I have to tie my hair back. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, that's it. And I'm not gonna do a lot. Smell. Oh, I hate that. Okay, so this is. Look, there's like yellow. That's the detergent. But yeah. It's gonna be clear slime actually, but I'm not gonna make clear slime because you have to be very patient, and I just want to slime today and I don't want to wait. So yeah, and it's also gonna be a little bit yellow, I think, because yeah, the detergent is yellow. So that's sorry for the noise actually. I should use another mixing tool, but okay, so I'm not gonna hit the bowl for you guys because I made a video on my Dutch channel where I made slime and I used this noise and everyone was like, no, I hate that noise, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I think I need a lot. Like a lot. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like currently. So I'm going to put more detergent in it and I'm going to stir because this takes a while. So I'm not going to film the whole progress. So I will see you guys when it's kind of like better that I can touch it. Because now it's like this, like, I don't know. It is like slime, but it's sticky. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. Okay everyone, so like I said, this is what the slime looks like. You can actually like, look, wait. This is the kind of structure. I don't even know what I'm saying. I mean structure. But you know what I mean. So, this. So it is better. But I thought I would film now because, like, I want you guys to be updated. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It doesn't stick to the bowl anymore. Only like the bottom of it. Like I have to like switch it, you know. So I think I have to put some detergent like under there. Oh God, look how much. But yeah, so I'm going to stir again until it doesn't stick to the bowl anymore. And when it doesn't stick to the bowl anymore, I am going to knead it with my hands. I'm going
for a very long time. So I'm going to put a little bit of this onto my hand. This is so bad. So look, oh my God, this is so bad for you and stuff. I know, but I haven't did this in a very long time, so that doesn't matter. Okay. Oh my God, it's still sticky. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more.
I'm going to knead this until I'm happy with how like it's feeling. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm done with that. So it's good. It's not sticky anymore, and I like it. So I'm going to give it an orange color, and I'm going to mix it a little bit with white, if necessary, because yeah. Okay, so I don't know how much I need, but I'm first going to just do a little bit. Okay. I don't know. I never do orange, so I thought that would be a great idea. So this is a satisfying, okay, I'm going to do ASMR right now, but I'm not going to talk. Okay, that's enough for ASMR. So I'm going to talk right now. This is what the color looks like. You can't really see it, but this, I think it's, yeah, a nice color. So you can take it out of the bowl. This is what it looks like. Wait, okay, but so there is coming soon something very special, and it's something about nails. I can already tell you guys that. So stay tuned, and I'm so excited. So this is the slime. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, subscribe down below with the bell next to it so you'll be notified. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!